Good evening, everyone. This is the voice of Coach LANREX, and this is the first time I come across my video. Please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification button so that anytime I'm dropping a video, you always be seeing the notification. And please like and share it so YouTube can push my video to a wider audience. Hope you understand. So now, and I'll also be dropping the link to my community. So if you are interested in joining my community, we all share IP updates there, and we also share online survey updates. So if you are interested in those things, you can join it. If you have any question, you can also join there and ask any question you want to ask. So now, the update we have before us is Zapero. All those things you comment I just mentioned, I'll be dropping them in the comment section. So go and share the comment section, you see everything there. And to link to this Zapero. This Zapero is a WhatsApp based update. When you hear WhatsApp based update, don't be afraid. There's a way you can navigate everything. But this one is quite different from when you have been doing before. So let me tell you how this one is quite different. This one, we are going to be doing this one automatically and manually. Sorry, the one we were doing before is automatically. We just have to connect to our WhatsApp. Then the update will, the ad will be running by itself. But now you just have to do it manually. Just click on it. Now don't be afraid about your WhatsApp. This way you can donate a WhatsApp. I'll drop a video on how we can get our own temporary WhatsApp from a bot. So maybe before you continue this, I just gonna go there, go to that particular place and watch that video. I will drop the video this evening also. So just go there and go and watch the video. So now, after generating your number, then I'll just click on this and the link I sent to the comment section and the years of this video. Just click on it. When you click on it, you direct you to Chrome. When you direct to Chrome, so just sign up with that particular number you to create the WhatsApp. So that number you to create the WhatsApp or your email, just sign up with your email. If the number is not working, just use your email and put your password there. You click on sign up. When you click on sign up, they will tell you to download the app. Make sure you download it. So after downloading, just install it. After you install it, you see the app on your phone. So just click on it, log in with that same details you used to sign up. So when you log in, it will bring you to this interface. Then you bring you to the interface. Now let me just explain some things to you. Now this is where you are going to start the task. So you click on start task. I don't allow this video too long. Just come here, watch this video, just like 1 minute video or 2. Just watch it. When you watch it, you understand how to do everything, how to connect to WhatsApp and do a task manually and earn your money. Hope you understand. And please, when you want to create the WhatsApp, please always create business WhatsApp. Don't forget, business WhatsApp is more stronger than non-WhatsApp. So to reduce being you are then ban your account. So at least you earn small money before they ban it. Hope you understand. So just watch the video. When you watch the video, understand how to connect and earn manually. Hope you understand. So when you want to withdraw, just come here. This is where you add your card, my card. So just add your bank details. Here is where you add the bank name. You just click on the drop down, you see your bank name, click on confirm, then add the name you appear on your bank name. So here is the account number. Just type it and write confirm. Now you want to withdraw, you click on receipt. Just clear this one away. Can I see minimum withdrawal is 1,000? Start this up before they increase everything. So start it very fast now. This one you can cash out to 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 a day. Hope you understand. So that's just it. So make sure you come here, watch this video before you start anything to teach you how to connect to WhatsApp and earn. So in the next video, I'll be dropping a video on how you can get those numbers and start to work immediately. So don't waste time at all. Don't wait for anybody. Just go and start immediately. So I will be seeing you guys in the next video on how you can get our numbers. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. So and don't forget, I'm dropping the link to my community. You should just do well to join the community and join the necessary thing. So when after your first cash out, please do well to maybe send the screenshot to my community or the group I'm sending, or drop the screenshot to this particular the comment section of this video. Please do well. So after your first withdrawal from this thing, so please do well to drop the withdrawal proof to the comments. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. So see you in the next video. Bye.